can we start so that they can... Yeah, can we get to know you? Your name, sir?
Okay, actually,
His name?
my master's name is Mr. Ukwu Eluta, known as Lenas Nigeria Limited.
Okay, sir. Now, today, he is here as the chief launcher of this great event. What is the significance of New Yam Festival to Igbo community?
Actually, in the Igbo community, in Igbo land, New Yam Festival means the time or the hour or the years we, harvesting our crops to eat the New Year Festival. Some communities, some town is their own September, some October, some November. Like as we are here today, I and my master to join our friend to celebrate his own New Year Festival. Chief Eze Chimereeze. So I'm here. I came along with my master. We are happy. We saw what happens here today. We caught the yam with him. We ate the yam with him, and he really take good care of us. Generally, everybody that visited him today is happy.
What is your assessment of today's event?
And what's your goodwill message?
My good message is that God, who made it possible for everybody that is available here today, that God to keep us alive to join Him to witness this year again. So, as we came to visit Him, celebrate with Him, eat with Him, by this time next year, we will be here again to join Him to call the New Yam Festival, and we pray that God will help us to be among the living by this time next year.
Okay. Your name again, sir?
So, my name is Mr. Ukwu Eluta, known as Lenas Nigeria Limited. Super Learner Nigeria Limited.
Thank you. Your WhatsApp number.